Hey beauties, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Winifred. In today's video, we're going to be learning the easiest and simplest method to cover your ready-made bra cups with fabric. If this is what you're left to learn, keep on watching, like, share and subscribe. And without too much talking, let's get to the honey of the video. Let's go. Love you. Hey beauty, welcome to my channel. This method is called a moldage method, and to do this you're going to be needing your ready-made bra cup, your paper tape, your fabric, and of course your interfacing that you want to use. This is my stay and that's what I am going to be using. So to start, you're going to take your bra cup. It already has allowance at the edges. Those space that you can see at the edges are the sewing allowance, and it's like a quarter of an inch. So the first thing you're going to do is to take your paper tape and just start putting it around your bust, your ready-made bra cup. Make sure that it is properly placed. Don't waste your paper tape. Just make sure that everything is aligning with it step by step. You're going to do it horizontally like this till you fill your bra cup. You will keep doing it like so till you fill your bra cup. All right, so you continue doing it. Make sure that the first layer is overlapping on the second layer. Of course, you must have built this with your clients sewing money, because some people will be like, how will I be wasting paper tape like this? You'll have added it to the payment of your client to make your work easier. So after doing it horizontally like this, we're still going to do it vertically again to secure it properly. All right, you don't want to just do it horizontally and leave it. All the tapes might be coming off by themselves one by one. So you are using this horizontal sellotape to secure whatever moldage that you've done. So once this is done, make sure that you rub it very well so that it can lie flat on the cup. And the next thing you're going to do is to cut off the excesses. Make sure you pull out the edges and take your scissors and gently cut off the excess. Make sure you do not cut your cup. All right, cut only the paper tape. Try as much as possible to cut only the paper tape. It is not difficult. You just have to be very careful when you are doing it. As you already know, like I always say, anytime you are doing anything sewing, you don't have to rush, because if you rush, you will not get the best results. So once this is done, next thing you are going to do is to determine how many parts you want to split it into. Either you want to split your cup into 3 parts or 2 parts. As for me, I want to split it into 2 parts, so I folded my cup into 2 and I just went ahead to draw a straight line to mark out the middle. So once that is done, I'm going to remove the paper tape like you can see me do, like this, and then I'm going to label your the paper tape. One is side 1 and the other one is side 2. So once that is done, you're going to cut it through in the middle, and that is what you are going to be using to cut out your fabric, the one that we want to use to cover the ready-made bra cup. So once you are done cutting like this, you place it on your fabric and then you cut it out. This you are going to be cutting 2 for the lining and 2 for the main fabric on each side. All right, for side 1 you cut 2 for the main fabric, 2 for the lining. For side 2 you cut 2 for the main fabric and 2 for the lining. So for side 1 and side 2, so I'm gonna to cut it, and I've ironed out interfacing on it. I reinforced this interfacing like 3 times because I wanted it to have a kind of structure. So once that is done, I'm aligning the 1 and 2 together, right side facing right side, and then I'm just going to run a stitch on it. So I've gone ahead to do that, and this is how neat and clean it looks. So the next thing you're going to do is to take your tailor's arm and just iron this seam open. All right, this is because you want it to give you a flawless kind of look by the time you put it on your dress. You don't want the place that we stitch to be looking somehow. So once that is done, you are then going to look for the midpoint of the cup and place it on that midpoint. Then you pin it down and you go to your sewing machine and sew it all around. Sew it on the allowance that is there, and once that is done, you are going to go ahead and cut off the excess. There's this much excess because I added half-inch allowance all around. You might not add to yours, but I wanted to be on the safe side. So after cutting all the edges on the two, this is how it looks. It looks beautiful. If this was helpful, let me know in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Like my videos and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Till I see you in my next one. I love you and I care. Bye.